IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. When was the last time you went to the cinema? Band 5. Answer.
I went to the cinema maybe 2 months ago. I watched an action movie with my friend. It was okay, but the cinema was a bit noisy, so I didn't enjoy it a lot.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, sometimes hesitant, limited detail. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, occasional inappropriate or repeated words. Grammar, frequent errors, but the meaning is usually clear. Pronunciation, understandable, though with some unclear or misplaced stress. Typical of Band 5, communicates the message, but with noticeable limitations. Band 7.5 Answer.
The last time I went to the cinema was around 2 months ago. A friend and I watched an action film, and although the movie itself was entertaining, the crowd was quite loud, which made it harder to focus. Still, it was nice to go out and enjoy the big screen again.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and well organized with only minor hesitation. Lexical resource, good range, mostly natural, occasional less precise choices. Grammar, generally accurate with some complex structures. Pronunciation, clear, natural rhythm, minor lapses but nothing disruptive. Typical of Band 7.5. Detailed, natural, mostly controlled. Band 9 Answer.
I last went to the cinema about 2 months ago, when a friend convinced me to watch a big-budget action film. The movie was enjoyable, but what stood out more was how noisy the audience was. It almost felt like I'd paid for a live commentary. Still, the atmosphere of the big screen made it worthwhile.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless delivery, well-expanded ideas, perfectly coherent. Lexical resource, precise, flexible vocabulary with stylistic control. Grammar, sophisticated structures used accurately and naturally. Pronunciation, near-native clarity, rhythm, and intonation. Typical of Band 9, fully natural, nuanced, and refined. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.